For instant help with technology trouble, most people turn to the internet. Like any tool, you must know how to best use the internet. To help you find what you need specifically, Internet Support offers the following resources: documentation, downloads, user forums, and technical support. The best source for this support is the manufacturer's or software developer's website. As an example of using the internet for support, suppose you have an HP OfficeJet printer. To look up detailed documentation, search Google for the make and model number. In this case, it's an HP OfficeJet Pro 8610. And here the first result is the product support page on the Hewlett-Packard website. I can confirm that I am on the Hewlett-Packard support website. The address is shown up here, and the site is secure. Now, this isn't some other site that may be pretending to be HP support offering the drivers that could lead to trouble. No, this is the manufacturer's own website, which is what you want. And this landing page offers software support drivers and links for diagnostic tools and other things, as you can see here. Again, this is the best way to use the internet as a resource. Some sites also feature user forums where you can read about problems and solutions posted from others. Here you choose the general support category and then choose community. And you'll find support categories for other topics. This may be different from other support web pages, and this site may change in the future. The point is that you can look here to find information such as popular discussions shown over here on the left and a knowledge base over on the right. The knowledge base contains an encyclopedia of tech support questions and answers. These are great resources to assist you troubleshooting various Hewlett-Packard products, and they're available on other support websites as well, though sometimes you must hunt for the proper links. Now, obviously and sadly, details for contacting the manufacturer and developer aren't really obvious on any page. This decision was probably made to encourage you to use resources, like forums, and online bots instead of humans. Still, the link should be available somewhere. And here on the Hewlett-Packard site you choose support and then contact us. Even though this information is obvious here, I recommend that you use other self-help resources first. Always good that your problem isn't unique and someone at some time has posted this same question and the solution has been provided. Not every manufacturer or developer's website may be as useful as this HP site, but it remains your first and best resource for online troubleshooting help and support. Everyone has a quick remedy for common elements, just like breathing into a paper bag to stop the hiccups or opening a stuck lid on a jar by tapping it with a knife handle. Such homespun solutions exist for computers as well. Most commonly, the things you can try are to restart the computer, turning it off and then on again, and running a troubleshooter on a special program that diagnoses what's wrong. The restart solution is well known. Turn the gizmo off. Wait, then turn it on again. The wait step is necessary to avoid a quick on-off cycle, which could potentially damage the electronics, so it's best to pause, count to 10 or higher, and then turn on the device. For example, you can unplug a stubborn peripheral like a keyboard. Wait, then connect it again. This technique may fix the problem. The only time I don't recommend this solution is for an external hard drive or other removable storage media. In this case, you must properly eject the media before turning it off or disconnecting its USB cable. To restart the entire computer in Windows 10, press the Windows key to pop up the Start menu. Choose Power. Restart. The computer turns itself off and then on again. Often this simple action cures whatever else all the system. When the computer becomes stubbornly stuck, you must press and hold the power button. Keep holding it until the computer turns itself off. Wait a few moments, then turn the system on again. Another place you can get help in Windows 10, as the System Troubleshooter, press the Windows and I keyboard shortcut to bring up the settings. Choose Update and Security. Troubleshoot. Here you see any troubleshooting suggestions recommended by Windows. None are shown on this computer, which is good news. But if you suspect something, choose additional troubleshooters. Here you see categories for many common topics or areas where the computer can make your life dreadful. Windows Update troubleshooting, for example, is very common. There are other things here, including a list of peripherals and computer features you can check. Choose an item to explore, and click the Run the Troubleshooter button to proceed. Now I've had mixed success some of these troubleshooters. Sometimes they work, but most of the time they tend not to evaluate the problem. Still, this is a great place to go and a valid solution to try before you move on to more aggressive troubleshooting. These are the quick fixes. A not-so-quick fix that you might have heard people recommend is to reinstall the Windows operating system. Don't. This homespun solution was popular in years past, but it's unnecessary 99 times out of 100. There are ways of fixing Windows without reinstalling. These procedures are covered elsewhere in this course.